Hey, I'm Allie, and today I'm going to show you how to install our new Luno window screens. The window screens come in this compact carrying case with two inside for your rear windows. They're tailored to fit most small hatchbacks, SUVs, sedans, and crossovers, and they stretch completely over your rear door. To install, you're going to orient the yellow tag toward the back of the vehicle and gently ease the elastic mesh over the door frame. This durable elastic 70D mesh will keep out most gnats, mosquitoes, and other flying insects so you can sleep without any bugs while you're inside of your car. Once the window screens are installed, they provide some extra privacy and shade while you're sleeping, up to about a 4% tint on your windows. Additionally, having the window screens installed helps mitigate condensation while you're camping inside of your vehicle throughout the night. To remove the window screens, simply stretch them over your door frame again and pack them away in their compact carrying case. This carrying case can be tossed into your Luno Air Mattress carrying case, so you've always got your window screens nearby when you're camping in your vehicle. And that's it. That's how to use your new Luno window screens.